Lash fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. If you haven't joined our Lash family yet, make sure you do so by turning on our post notifications and hitting that subscribe button. Welcome back, ladies. Today we are doing a mega volume set using my Shop Lashes by Kins, so I'm super excited because I've yet to do one here on my channel. If you guys are excited about this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up before we jump into it. I am going to be showing you my step-by-step process, how I prime, how I prep, how I fan, all the way throughout to my finish. I hope you guys enjoy this. Client has great lashes. So we're gonna get a good set and I'm excited for you guys to check it out. Let's jump in. Shop Lashes by Kins. If you haven't gotten your lashes yet, make sure you do so by heading over to our website at www.shoplashesbykins.com. Thank you for tuning in for another video. If you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. We will be back with more videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for tuning in.